Hello guys, so this is a list of top 3 commands that you can execute from the desktop environment of your Windows computer. Yes, they are top essential ones. For example, let's say for some computers, due to compatibility issues, there might be a problem that whenever you click on this Windows logo button, some systems may take a lot more of time to 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 respond. In that case, maybe you might want to shut down your computer, you might want to restart your computer, use some shortcut. So this is what you do. Just click on ALT and F4. ALT F4, ALT F4 activate, ALT F4 deactivate, ALT, and you'll see a lot of options. You can either switch user, sign out, sleep. Yes, you see. So that's a super end of useful shortcuts. So let's go to the let's list them. ALT F4, ALT F4. Let's also try another one. Let's say your computer is not responding, it's freezing, you're not able to click even any GUI, you're not even able to interact with the GUI. So what you do is fairly simple. You might want to open the task manager. You might not have a room to right click and get this option here. You might want to force close the application which is causing the error, which is causing the system to misbehave. So what you can do is you press one Control ALT and delete. As you can see, this dialog pops up and you have to select task manager. Let me do it again. Control ALT and delete. Then you click on task manager. So there's no way this screen becomes irresponsive. There's no way this screen becomes irresponsive. And then you click task manager and then you close the program which is posing the errors. And then let's hit the store list. Control ALT delete. And then last command for today. The last command is the Windows logo button and L. Example, imagine you are a student and you are busy maybe doing or watching content which you are not supposed to be. You're busy playing a game and the teacher passes by. So you just have to click on the Windows logo button and L so that it brings you to this screen. Yes, that's all for today.